Looking to buy an investment property with your self-managed super fund? You might need to secure an SMSF loan. Welcome to the Finance Hub and Networks, your one-stop shop for all things home loans. Investing in property within superannuation is usually not as straightforward as investing without one, because all investment decisions need to be in the best interest of the SMSF members. An SMSF loan is a special type of loan that enables you to invest your super in a property. Purchasing a property through an SMSF means that instead of the individuals being the owners, the SMSF company or trust becomes the legal owner of the property. The members of the fund are then considered the beneficiaries. A beneficiary is the fund member that will receive the SMSF income and assets once they meet the conditions of release. A condition of release must be met before a benefit is paid. For example, the member must be at least 65 years old or permanently retired. There are also strict SMSF rules and regulations that relate to SMSF loans. For example, a lender can only lend funds to an SMSF on a limited recourse basis. The limited recourse borrowing arrangements require the SMSF to set up a separate trust. The SMSF holds a beneficial interest in the property via the trust, and loan repayments are made from the SMSF to the lender. Any income generated from the property is also paid directly into the SMSF. But if the SMSF defaults on the loan repayments, the lender is only authorized to take back the separate property trust and nothing else held by the SMSF. There are also a few other considerations. For example, you will likely need to provide a 40% deposit, and your SMSF will need a balance of at least $200,000 to cover other expenses and the loan repayments if the rent is not enough. Interest rates on SMSF loans also tend to be higher than interest rates on normal residential mortgages. What we've outlined in this video is only some of the complexities involved in SMSF compliance. You'll need to seek advice from a financial advisor before proceeding with an SMSF loan to ensure that you're following the correct processes. If you have any questions about SMSF loans and their regulations, drop them in the comments section below. Otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe to learn more about what's involved in your property purchasing journey.